morning. Well, it's 8:30 and we just got on the trail because our shuttles couldn't take us earlier, but that's okay. We're doing a 10-mile slack pack today, and the morning is supposed to be hard, and then it gets easier in the afternoon, which is good because it's going to be in the 90s today. The heat wave that's going on in our country is in Maine as well, unfortunately. So we're just going to take it easy. We stayed in Andover, and honestly, it was so late. I don't even know what it's called. I think it's called Pine Ellis Cabins or something. And we had a nice little room. This place is very rustic. It's been in operation for over 35 years. And I hope I'm on the trail. There's a privy right behind me. So I'm like, let's see. Whoa, I'm going back. I think I just got off trail talking to you guys. Easy. Anyway, yeah, I did. Anyway, super nice people taking care of us. It is, it needs improvements, but I was happy to have kindness, a bed, a shower. We have laundry available. We'll take care of that tomorrow, or tonight rather. And they're very sweet people. So that's really what's important. I hope everyone's going to have a great day, and I'll see you down the trail. I've hiked up 1.4 miles on Moody Mountain, and here's a little sneak peek of the beauty here. It is so gorgeous. Just the striations of the mountains are incredible. I have a really steep descent, which is so painful for me. My knees and feet don't like it, so that's what I have next, and then I have another mountain to climb. Hey there, it's a hot day today. We stopped for a little lunch at the Hull Mountain Lean-To, and if you need to eat Doritos quickly and with abundance, this is the way to do it.
Smash them up.
Smash them up.
Eat them with a spoon.
It's like cereal. It's like lunch cereal. Doritos. It's awesome. So we've had some snacks. We've eaten. We've rested. We're in the shade because it is really a hot day today. Met some nice people. I met a runner who's supported. She's like an ultra runner, and she was just really cool to talk to. Very nice woman. And with 6 miles to go, it's gentle, much more gentle than what we've just done. So I'm looking forward to it. Welcome to the beauty of Maine. On that far ridge, there are windmills. Gorgeous. Hey there. I am at the last mile of a 10-mile hike today. And it has gone remarkably well, actually. We did have a couple of climbs, one steep decline, and the declines, man, they hurt. I was a little worried, actually, today because I woke up in pain, and I haven't woken up in pain in a long time. Because yesterday's hike was really tough. So, slack packing certainly helps. I have much less weight on my back, and I just feel good, and it kind of reinvigorates my spirit, because when I'm waking up in pain and in pain all day, going to sleep in pain, as you know, that's just, it really is, it's not good. But today I feel good, very happy, and this 10-mile hike has been really nice. So, awesome. Well, it's 8 o'clock. I'm already in bed. I'm very tired. We ate at Mills Market. I had some buffalo chicken tenders and a burger with everything on it. It had cheese and bacon and onion rings and barbecue sauce, and it was so good. And then we ate some ice cream back here, but I can't keep my eyes open. We're starting very early tomorrow. Our shuttle leaves at 6 a.m. because there's going to be some rain coming in the afternoon, and we want to get our hike done before that. So I got to get some sleep. Looking forward to another great day tomorrow. Good night.